beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and today my beauties I will share with you 5 ways on how you can get your man to miss you. The way number 1 is don't always be available, especially for last minute. Actually, in fact, don't ever do the last minute if you want him to respect you, value and appreciate you much more. The way to do it in a healthy way so it doesn't come across as a game: have a life. Put your goals, ambitions first. Create a beautiful cake for yourself. Create an incredible life for yourself. Put yourself first. Have hobbies, friends, ambitions. Let him fit into your life. Let him fit around in your schedule by asking you out in advance, rather than ditching your friends, ditching your family, ditching your life, ditching your hobbies, ditching your ambitions, and making him into your whole life. If you'll make a guy into your whole life, he's gonna get bored of you very quickly because there is nothing authentic about you anymore. Like, you are losing yourself in a process of a relationship with him. Why would you be interested in a person who has lost themselves, who actually gave themselves away in order to be with you? You know, this type of person is very needy, very controlling, really boring. They depend on you to make them happy. So ladies, have a life. Put yourself first and make sure that he needs to ask you in advance if he wants to see you. How does loving yourself make him love you even more? Please watch my video that you can find just by following the link right here. And as I always say, ladies, a guy needs to be only a cherry on top of your cake, not the whole cake. Tip number 2 on how to get a man to miss you is don't be an open book. Be a mystery. Mystery is the power of seduction, not an open book. If he asks you, what are you doing? Who are you with? You say, oh, I'm really busy tonight, or I'm going out tonight. Don't give him the details. Who are you with? Where are you going out? You know, let him wonder. Keep him a little bit on his toes. Same as your mind starts wondering when you don't know where is he, who he's with, what he's at. Same goes for him. You know, when he will wonder about you, when he won't know your every single step, this is when he will realize his feelings for you, and this is when he'll be like, gosh, I miss this girl. What is she doing? Who is she with? I think I'm developing some feelings for her because I'm wondering. I don't know everything about her now. Mystery is the power of seduction, ladies. Third tip on how to get a man to miss you is, ladies, if you are always initiating, if you're texting him first, if you're chasing him, if you're calling him continuously first, how is he going to miss you? Like, you're chasing him non-stop. How is he going to feel the loss? How is he going to miss you? There is no time in between. Let a man to do the work. Let a man come after you. Stop initiating. It's his job to do it anyways. So be receptive, be appreciative, and enjoy it. The fourth way is not a tip, it's more like encouragement for you girls. I know a lot of you will be like, oh my god, if I'm not gonna text him, he's gonna forget about me, he's just gonna text someone else. Well, ladies, that's not how it works, especially with guys. Guys fall for a girl who is a challenge, who we need to fight for. If you look at any successful, happy love story, in nearly every one of them, the guy is explaining how much he had to fight for that girl, how hard it was to get her. So ladies, guys love a girl who is a challenge, who is a queen in her castle, all right, who he needs to come after, who he needs to fight for. Ladies, men realize their feelings for you in your absence. I'm gonna tell you what I say to my clients. I say to my girls, when you and him are not talking, this is when he's actually realizing his feelings for you. So give him that space to realize his feelings for you. Fifth way on how to get a man to miss you is, ladies, guys have a pull away need. Okay, if you want to find out about his natural, normal pull away need, please watch my video right here. Anyway, what I wanted to say in this video, let him pull away and come to you back. Ladies, another thing is, not every guy nowadays is self-aware, same as not every woman nowadays is self-aware either. So a lot of times guys need to pull away from the girl, but they are not that self-aware, and we don't do it, right? So we become influenced by the media, and we start to think like, oh my god, I cannot pull away from a woman, we need to be like this all the time, right? And what happens is, when you have a loving time with a guy and his need is to pull away, and let's say he is not that self-aware and he is not pulling away, he might either start to play video games, so that's like him having a pull away from you, so let him do that. If he's ignoring you and just playing those video games, let him play the video games and leave him to that. Or what we start to do, if we're not aware of our pull away need, what we do, we become annoying, or we start pushing your buttons, or we become angry with you, we become not nice to you. So if a guy is not getting his pull away need fulfilled, this is when he's gonna start picking on you and causing fights, because he is not having his pull away. So the way it is, girls, if your man is pulling away, be very grateful for it, because you're not gonna get to see the ugly side of him. You let him pull away, and when he's coming back to you, he's gonna be on his best behavior again. If your guy doesn't realize his own need, he's not that self-aware that he needs to pull away, he's gonna be nice and loving to you when you're having loving time together, but after that his testosterone level will drop, and when he needs to pull away and he's not pulling away, he's gonna be nasty to you. He's not gonna be very nice to you. If he's not gonna be nasty to you, he will start ignoring you, or he'll get busy, or he'll just have a million of excuses why not to be with you, or he'll pick on you. So basically, when you have a loving time together, and after that, if your guy starts pushing your buttons, or you see he's becoming a bit edgy or a bit too rude or something like this, get your stuff and pull away from him. Give him that space, because he actually needs that space. You will give him that space, and you'll come back, he's gonna be back on his best behavior again, because he just fulfilled his pull away need. This is why it's really important actually to date men who are self-aware, so then it's just easier to be with them. Because guys who are not that self-aware, then they become a pain in the and same goes with women. Women who are not that self-aware, we do a lot of mistakes, or we copy guys, and then long term it does not benefit us, and it actually starts to make us feel really bad and sad and horrible inside, and we don't know why we feel horrible inside. And the reason that we feel horrible inside is because we are not very self-aware of what women enjoy and love to do, and we are not going with our instincts, but instead we, let's say, copying man or falling for society influence, and there's a lot of very, very bad influence around us. Ladies, if you liked this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, let me know in the comments below what do you think. Join my high value women group, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is private, it's called Ladies Relationship Coach. And if you would like me to hold your hand and help you to bring out the best in your man, you can always book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. Thank you so much for watching, ladies. Have a beautiful day. Kisses from London. Mwah.